Can you predict your sales, consumption, demand, and production? Inaccurate forecasting in manufacturing and warehouses causes a 5 to 10% loss on the margin. In the worst case, it could slow production due to out of stock. To optimize your demand forecast, you need to replace simple and inaccurate systems with modern algorithms, which leverage state-of-the-art technology and all your data sources. Our machine learning models can be used on an unlimitedly large scale to predict future sales from the individual level to a global prediction. Our team, experienced with demand forecasting from the manufacturing and retail sector, will help you predict future demand based on historical sales, geolocation data, promotions, competition, and many more. Join our satisfied customers who moved to data-driven demand forecasting with us. Contact us at our website for more information.